Hi everybody, today we're going to look at setting up Tech Life sessions in Canvas. To start, you'll log into Canvas and then you'll locate BigBlueButton on the left navigation. We'll start by clicking on Add Conference. We'll give a name to the conference. By default, the conference will be 60 minutes and it will be enabled to record. You want to click Add to the Calendar, which tells you that this will invite all course members, and we click OK. We'll select a start date and a start time. You'll also need to pick an end date and an ending time. Then we click Create. You'll repeat the process to create individual Tech Life sessions for the entire session. Because we're creating the sessions before the classes start, students aren't yet populated in our course. To make sure students get an invitation to the session, before the conference begins, you want to click on the settings and click Sync Attendees. This will send an invitation to everyone enrolled in the course at the time you're ready to start the live session. After sessions are completed, they show in the Concluded Conferences section of the page. Once the recording has been produced, it will show that there's a recording under the link to the Tech Life session. When you click on the name of the session, a link to the video will appear. Setting up the Tech Live sessions is part of your course prep every session.